Hi, my name is Danny Shea, and today on the Danny and Keisha Show, I'm going to be splashed by a hose at 1 second. At 9:45 at night. It's June. Alright, well, let's get this over with.
Tell me when you're ready.
Okay, I don't think I'm ever going to be ready. I'm ready! Is that my mom? Continue on. There's a tick in it! Oh. I'm like drenched. I'm done. Are you done? Oh, I kicked again. Come on. Oh wait, one last one. Now go turn it off.
Is that more?
That's more!
Oh.
And that was Danny getting sprayed at
9:40 something at night.
Don't ever try that at home.
How do you feel?
Wet.
That's good.
That was so much fun though.
Hey, look, some underwear. Sorry.
I actually wear a thong.
That's great.
No, I don't. Thongs push up your butt. Then they make you feel like you're like dying, and then there's like this thing, and then you're like,
Okay.
Okay, we got it. But I don't like thongs.
That's good.
So I think you guys should just stop wearing thongs, because, you know, they don't make your butt look good. They make your butt look bad, and they make other girls want to laugh at you, who actually have a sense of reason. So don't do drugs. Don't drink. I don't care if you stay in school or not, because I don't know you. But please, don't wear a thong. Please don't. I don't like looking at your butt in the locker room.
Okay.
Now I'll be going to change into my own thong, which I love because it makes me feel sexy. Do you have to follow me?
Yes.
How long are you going to follow me for?
Only for a second.
Okay.
Okay. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.